Hello everyone. I would like to start with a simple question. When a manufacturing process faces a problem, what usually gets the blame? The machine? The people? The manpower? The processes? But in reality, the machine is often not the problem. A machine is only as good as the tools it uses, the accuracy of its measurements, the efficiency of its workplace, the reliability of its storage systems, and most importantly, the people operating it. In other words, manufacturing excellence is not created by the machine alone. It is created by everything around the machine. And that is exactly what Hoffmann Group stands for. We call it 360 degrees around the machine. My name is Maanav Goel and I'm leading Hoffmann Group endeavor in India. My leadership philosophy is centered around collaboration, accountability, and continuous improvement with innovation. Imagine a machining center which is running at full speed. If the cutting tool is not optimized, productivity suffers. If the measuring equipment is inaccurate, quality is compromised. If tools are difficult to find, valuable time is lost. If the workplace is not organized, efficiency drops. And if safety is overlooked, the entire operation is at risk. Which means every element matters. And that's why Hoffmann Group brings all these elements together under one roof. With our premium brands Garant and Holex, along with carefully selected global partners, we offer complete solutions covering machining, measuring, clamping, hand tools, storage, workstations, and personal protective equipment as well. Our customers don't come to us for a product. They come to us for a solution. A solution that helps them produce faster, a solution that helps them improve quality, a solution that helps them reduce downtime, and ultimately a solution that helps them become more competitive. Today, manufacturers are under constant pressure to do more with less, to produce faster, maintain quality, control cost, and then of course stay ahead of the competition. And this is where Hoffmann Group creates value. As a true one-stop solution provider, we help customers simplify procurement, standardize quality, and improve productivity across their entire manufacturing environment. Because when every element around the machine works together seamlessly, something remarkable happens. Machines perform better, people work smarter, and businesses grow stronger. At VDMA European Technology Day, I am very excited to share how Hoffmann Group is helping manufacturers to achieve exactly as mentioned above through our 360 degrees around the machine approach. So stay tuned and then see you there. Thank you.